So paying banker. Paying banker means the bank which pays money on behalf of its customer when a check is presented. That is called paying banker. For example, Mr. Ravi has an account in SBI and issues a check. SBI is the paying banker. And next we have to see the rights and duties and responsibilities of paying banker. Pay only if a sufficient balance is available. Verify the customer signature and check the date, amount, crossing and endorsement. Pay only a proper and valid check. Stop payment if customer gives instruction. Pay within banking hours. So next, honoring a check. Honoring a check means the bank accepts the check and then makes payment. That is called honoring a check. Payment is made as per the drawer's instruction after checking validity and funds. So next we have to see the precaution before honoring a check. Check the date, check the amount, verify drawer signature with the specimen signature, check material alteration, check crossing, check endorsement, ensure sufficient bank balance, and check the stop payment instruction and check the account status, and also check the legal restrictions. So next we have to see the dishonor of a check. Dishonor of a check means refusal by the bank to make payment when a check is presented. It happens due to reason like insufficient fund, signature mismatch, and stop payment, etc. So next, circumstance and reason for dishonor. Insufficient fund, signature differs, check in style, post-dated check, material alteration not confirmed, check is unclear, stop payment instruction received, account closed, irregular or incomplete check, or wrong or forget endorsement, legal restrictions, etc. So next we have to see the payment in due course. Payment in due course means payment made by the paying banker according to the apparent tenor of the check. For example, a check is drawn by A in favor of B. B present the check to the bank on the due date. The bank verify the signature and pay the amount to B in good faith and without negligence. So next, holder in due course. Holder in due course means a person who received the check for value, receive it in a good faith and before maturity. Next, collecting banker. The collecting banker means the bank which collect the money from check on behalf of its customer and credit the amount. For example, customer deposit check in Canara Bank. Canara Bank collect from paying bank. This is the example for collecting banker. So next we have to see the functions of collecting banker. The collect the check for customer, credit the amount after collection, send the check to clearing paying bank, collect the bill, draft, dividend, warranties, etc. Collecting banker duties. Collect only for a customer, act in good faith, collect without negligence, and follow the crossing rules. These are the duties for the collecting banker. So next, collecting. The next one is when banker becomes holder for value. You pay the cash against a check, credit customers, and allow the withdrawal before collection. Gives overdraft against a check, discount a bill of exchange. A banker act as an agent means a bank act as an agent when it performs services on behalf of customers. So negligence. Negligence means failure to take a reasonable care which a prudent person would normally take in similar circumstances. Basis of negligence: open account without proper instruction or KYC, collect check for a non-customer, collect the check under suspicious circumstance, ignores crossing rule, no inquiry about doubtful endorsement, and etc. So rights of a banker. Rights of lion. A banker has the right to retain the goods, securities, or values of a customer until all dues are paid. Right of set off. A banker can adjust the credit balance of one account against the debit balance of another account of the same customer. Right to charge interest and service charges, right to close the account with proper notice, right to refuse the payment in valid cases, right to recover money paid by mistakes. So these are the rights. Thank you.